welcome to another video. In this video I am going to look at my Carrera Vengeance e-bike, which I've had for about 8 years now. Paid £850 for it from Halfords. Like I said, 8 years ago. The battery's just coming to the end of its life on this. We only get like 15 miles out of it now. I used to get like 35, 36 when I first got it. I've been recently doing a charity bike ride for prostate cancer, and I've been going through mud tracks and all sorts. It's absolutely filthy at the minute. The brakes need some attention. I think the brake pads are coming to the end of their lifetime as well. So in this video I'm going to be cleaning it, I'm going to jet wash it, and then I'm going to show you me putting some new pads on it, and then when it's done we are going to go and trial it out again, and I'll take it for a run. So yeah, I'll start the video now and you can see how these are done. Like I say, it's an e-bike, but jet washing it's not a problem for me. I can basically just cover up the battery terminals and just give it a light jet wash. I don't go into detail, I don't leave it splashing on it for ages. It's just to get the mud off basically. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it. I've just walked in to look at servicing the bike and we've got shite everywhere. So I think the first thing to do here is to clean the garage. And there we go, all clean, well tidy anyway. So I've made some space to be able to do something with this now. So this is my Carrera Vengeance e-bike, looking very mucky at the moment. I'm going to give this a good spray down with my power washer. Yes, I did say power washer, it can be done on an e-bike as long as you're careful. I'll take you through it and show you how I do it, how I keep it from breaking the bike, infecting the electrics, etc. I'm also going to be putting some new brake pads on this bike, so I'll go through that with you as well. So let me get it up on the stand and we'll get down to jet washing it. Just wrap 2 plastic bags around the electrics. So there it is, all nicely washed. So as you can see, I just got a couple of Iceland bags, packed them around here. It just keeps the battery contacts dry. So I'll give it a second. Struggling a bit with one hand. Oh, there we go. So yeah, I've got a couple of Iceland bags, as you can see, bone dry. Put this over here. And then the same with that one. I've not sellotaped them on or anything, I've just wrapped them round and then tucked it under the battery. And it does the job perfectly. Keeps the battery thing dry. You can see they're dry because they're still dirty there. Yeah, get rid of that one. So yeah, so what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be concentrating on sorting these out and these pads out here. So I'll just take the wheels off and I'll come back to a quick word. One of the first things I've got to do is undo this power cable here, which fits into here. It was just cable tied up to there. Took the cable tie off, pulled that out. That allows you to pull the wheel free when you do get it off. So have a look at the brake itself. We'll focus in, there you go. You can see there's a cotter pin here, and if we can get the right angle, you can see it sticking out there. I have to squeeze them together, pull the cotter pin out. You straighten the cotter pin like that. When I get the other end, it should just retract like that. And put the cotter pin to one side. So we can now see that the brakes are here, hopefully. I won't need a tool for this. I might need a tool for it. No. Right, so off camera, I've been going at these brakes. I've been pulling them the wrong way, basically. They spring in that way and you pull them out that way. So spring in that way, pull them this way. I was trying to pull them the other way because of videos I've seen on YouTube. But basically I've got them out. There they are. They are quite worn. So I've got some new ones. Which are these. And that picture on the packet, let me try and show you, is actually the actual size, so you can measure up, make sure you're getting the right ones. So I'm going to put these in now. I'm going to take the back ones out first, and then I'll put the new pads in. So I've straightened up the cotter pin. I'm going to try and pull that out. Rise it with a screwdriver. There we go. I can get the pliers on it. Pull the cotter pin out. There we go. Cotter pin on there. And then we need to push back on the brake pad, and it just slides out that way. This one's a bit harder because it's, you know, and this, there we go, and there's a spring. So that's the brake pads out. I'm going to look at doing the reverse now to put the others in. I'm just going to clean these up a bit. So to put these in, you just basically hold them together with the spring, slide them into the, slide them into the holder. Not working very well. I'm doing. Oh, I know what I need to do. Move the adjuster back. The adjuster will be at full. Just need to bring it back a couple of clicks. So allow brake pads to slide in. Bring it back another couple. Oh, wrong one again. Put it in, have we? Might be better. Bring that one in first. Oh. Bring that one in. So what I'm going to do with this, I think I'm going to loosen off the caliper. That one out. Nothing. There we go. Caliper's off. Right, so I can get the caliper now and place the pads in like that. There we go. Pads in. And we can see that. So I'll just put that caliper back on there, and that's my back one's done. I'll adjust them accordingly, and then we'll go on to do the front. So here's the other new set, and front ones tend to be easier than back ones. Boom, that's it. Simple as that. I'm just going to spin that wheel a little bit, tighten it up. Tighten that in slightly because they are quite wide apart there. There we go. Okay, So wheels can go back on and can start a general clean up. So as you can see, it's all nice and shiny now. Cleaned up the bars. It does leave a bit of water residue when you do the washing, so it does need a bit of a wipe down, but it's quite clean now. Quite happy with that, so I'm going to put the wheels back on. So there we go, wheels are back on. Just need to put this back in. It's just the stand for the rack at the back. I'll put the cotter pins back in. All the cotter pins have gone back in. Aren't they? Yeah, cotter pins are back in. As you can see there, I can get it in focus. Put the cotter pins back in. So everything's sorted. Only trouble is it's a bit late to be going out tonight. It's now what, 8:10. It's going to go dark soon, so I'll take it out for a run tomorrow, see how it runs and how those brakes work. Hello there. So as you can see, I've got a different t-shirt on because it's a different day. What I thought was I would leave this video as it is. It's about 10 minutes long, so it doesn't need to be any longer than that. Just a quick footnote on it though. I produce my videos to show you that normal people can make mistakes when doing things like this, as you saw with the brakes. Even more so, making sure you tighten things back up, all that sort of stuff. Just making sure it goes back in the way it should go back in. I'm no bike mechanic, so I just try my best. But I want people out there to know that you can make mistakes and you can cock things up. We're not professionals. I'm not going to produce videos that are absolutely perfect, because I'm not perfect. I'm a human being, I make mistakes. So I put my mistakes in so that you don't make them. So if I'm doing something wrong, you'll know it's wrong and you won't go doing it that way either. Anyway, what I'm going to do a separate video where I take the bike out. And I'll show you it out and about, and give you the version of the brakes, give you an idea of how well it went. Okay, so I'll end the video there. I'll see you again in the next one.